nature at its best. Guys, look at that. Isn't it amazing? Way to the falls, Bolinao Falls. I can't believe it's finally happening. Those people are exiting there. This is my first waterfalls I gonna experience in the Philippines. I'm a fan of waterfalls. I've been to waterfalls in different places, in my country of course, Trinidad and Tobago. So we have some way. We're going down this dirt and stony track, and then I can already hear the water. Down there. So beautiful vegetation around here. So thanks for watching el.triniPinoTV. This is the first waterfalls in the Philippines for our YouTube channel. So this is some of the natural sceneries in the Philippines. Coconut trees and all sorts of vegetation. There's some banana plants here on this side. You know, it's tropical. It's tropical, just like the Caribbean. Caribbean is tropical. Philippines is tropical. Around the same line of latitude. Wow, nice bunch there of green bananas. In the Philippines, it's called saging. Yeah, it's so maganda dito. Look at that over there. So I'm going down there in like 2 minutes. 2 minutes I'll be down there. And there's some huts to the side over there. You can see the huts. Okay guys. Splendid. We're at the Villa Soledad. Villa Soledad Resorts, Bolinao, Pangasinan. You see the rock out there? Natural features, beautiful. maganda. I guess they can take you on a ride with these special rafts. One has a red top, one has a blue top. We need to find out the name of the raft. See the name there? The resort and rooms are on this side. And then on this side you got the gazebos. Several gazebos. So they're gonna take the balsa. They call it a balsa, right? And then they're gonna go over there, maybe to one of the rocks. There's if you see, check, it's much further in the back there. There's some people there already. Yeah. There's some people out there, but they took it from a different point, on a different part of the beach. You can get even your cotton candy in the water in the beach. Yeah. You can see the sea behind me. Yeah, we're gonna see more of that soon. Taking a little walk around here. There's some other tourists. I think they're local tourists. They're Filipinos. So we're walking up this steep incline. Yeah, it's a steep incline. They said this is the highest point around here. This is the highest point with the lighthouse. You know, lighthouses are for guiding ships. So we're going up, walking up the tall incline to get to the lighthouse. And you just you will pay an environmental fee when you're in the municipality, because it's a tourist spot. It helps to maintain the environment. So let's get close to the sign here. What does this one say? It's Cape Bolinao. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Look at that coastline. Feels very touristy around here. Just all kinds of souvenirs. Mas maganda. And Parola. So over here has some free parking over there. Nice sunny day in Bolinao. It's my first time to the Lighthouse. The Lighthouse is on the left side here. So let's go inside now. We're gonna go inside. Oh, you're making honey. What is the price of the honey?
150, sir. Wild honey, sir.
Wild honey. Wow. So I'm not gonna get sting.
Nag-sting, sir, kapag naiikot siya.
You said how much? 100?
50.
150, the small bottle?
Oh,
How much for the malaki? You don't have a big one?
no.
Okay. Yeah guys, you see the bees there? First time I'm seeing this. So it's what? An apiary in a container. So guys, I finally made it to the entrance of the Bolinao Falls 2A. So you see that sign there. We have to go down. They said it's just about 4 minutes walk. It was a really long ride just to get to Bolinao municipality. And then when you head off the main road, you have a few minutes, about 15 minutes driving on the side road to get here. I don't know what is this rock formation here. This is Nitya. So you've got the little falls, and then there's the little ones here. You're hearing the flow. You really have to watch your step. These rocks might be slippery. Some of these rocks might be slippery around here. Okay, so those guys are taking their pictures. They're resting on the rocks. The waters are not deep here, but the rocks are slippery, so that's what you have to be careful with. There's souvenirs and there's goggles and stuff selling here. You can get your shorts if you forgot your swim pants. Yeah. So let's get nearer. You can actually see these benches are made from like the slabs of tree trunks. Yeah, it's like the whole slab. It's very natural. It's all neat here. It's all neat here around here. And then they have beautiful Bergan villas over here. So they have the deck there. The diving deck out there. One of them. Yeah, some of the guys here are cooking using butane. It's yummy. Masarap.
Masarap.
So guys, there's a sign here. It says basically that the dogs are not allowed to bathe. So don't bring your dog to bathe in the waterfall, in the stream. There's a shop out here. Mini shop. Got the huts made out of bamboo. They're selling halo here. This is a halo stall, and the life vest, of course. Guys, it's so beautiful here. We're at one of the resorts. Patar Beach, Bolinao, Pangasinan. They've got even got a infinity pool going on here. Wow. You see the entire stretch. This is you can see folks down there swimming, bathing. Then there's a net there for a beach volleyball. Look at the color. You see the lights light green color there. It's turquoise. It's shallow. Pinaka maganda. La playa es muy bella. The waves. Wow. So it's a really long stretch. This is when you're one with nature. See? We've got the Caribbean vibe in the East Indies and Philippines. You couldn't tell the difference. What part of the world? You just know it's a beautiful part. There's lots of coconut trees in the area. So many. It has many pools here. See that one way to the back there. Recycling efforts. The segregation for the plastics. They have life jackets, life vests available for rents out here. I think it's like 50 pesos. So we're going down the stairs. Going down the stairs here. I'm not gonna be swimming, and I'm a very good swimmer, so I don't need the life vest. Swimmers. Actually dive. You can actually dive from that point there. Yeah. You see there? It has. Yeah, he's in the water. He's a good swimmer. Yeah. There's also a ramp further there where you can walk out in the back. So guys, that's it there. One part of the Bolinao Falls. Exiting. It was really nice. So beautiful. Next time I will actually swim. Guys, look how far away I am from the lighthouse. And yet it's so tall. Really nice, really nice.